Whether it's a traffic tunnel being built in Kuala Lumpur or an extension plan to a Paris metro line, wherever mechanized tunneling technology is used, machines from Germany are at work all over the world. Herrenknecht have been building mobile tunnel boring machines for more than 30 years. The staff has now grown to almost 3,000 people worldwide, developing and manufacturing tunneling solutions from 10 centimeters to 19 meters in diameter. Innovative engineering and total reliability have always been compelling arguments in favor of Herrenknecht, and the superior quality of LOCTITE products plays an essential role in this process.
Besonders beansprucht ist das Schneidrad und der Hauptantrieb. Sie müssen sich vorstellen, das Schneidrad ist im Erdreich unterwegs und trifft dort auf unterschiedliche Beanspruchungen. Einmal Hartgestein oder das Loggergestein. Im Hartgestein ist es vor allem die Gewalt und der Druck, den das Schneidrad übertragen muss, damit wir das Gestein abbauen können. Im Loggergestein sind es vor allem Momente, drehende Eigenschaften, die dort wirken und sehr hohe Kräfte entwickelt.
Around 100 large tunneling machines are currently at work around the world. To provide top performance, Herrenknecht engineers supply innovative machinery solutions, and LOCTITE specialists add their know-how of adhesive processes.
In unserer Abteilung verwenden wir hauptsächlich LOCTITE 586 als Flächeklebmittel und die 577 als Gewindedichtung, 243 als Schraubensicherung und das LOCTITE 7070 als Reiniger.
Als Vertriebsingenieur von LOCTITE ist zum einen meine Aufgabe, mit allen relevanten Abteilungen im ständigen Dialog zu stehen. Zum zweiten versuche ich mit meinem Know-how in der Klebstofftechnik bereits in der Planungsphase einer neuen Tunnelvortriebsmaschine die Entwicklung und Konstruktion zu unterstützen, Mitarbeiter anderer Montagelinien mit Rat und Tat zur Seite zu stehen, sowie Servicetechniker zu schulen.
All Herrenknecht tunnel boring machines have a cutting wheel driven by several hydraulic motors. Up to 350 bar of oil pressure ensures sufficient force to carve away any type of rock. First parts are thoroughly cleaned with LOCTITE 7063 to remove oil and dirt and ensure optimum performance of the LOCTITE adhesives applied afterwards. In view of severe vibrations and the extremely high oil pressure, all bolts are locked with LOCTITE 243. This medium-strength thread locker makes sure these highly stressed threaded assemblies are reliably and permanently secured. Downtime due to failure or leakage during operation would be very expensive. LOCTITE 243 is also applied to the hydraulic fittings of the motors for extra security to help the tapered cutting ring withstand vibration and pressure loads of up to 150 bar. Pressure loss as a result of accidental loosening of the threaded joint would cause failure of the motors, putting the complete tunnel boring machine out of service. The main drive is an assembly of no less than 4 large gear units. Herrenknecht apply LOCTITE 586 using a roller to coat the flange faces. Fully cured, the adhesive increases friction in the joint. As a result, torque transmission to the cutting wheel is increased 2 to 2.5 times, and reliability of the drive assembly is significantly enhanced. The engineers need only about 250 milliliters of LOCTITE 586 per machine to achieve this phenomenal boost in performance. As the adhesive begins curing as soon as the flanges are mated and oxygen is excluded, the crew has to work with speed and absolute precision. Alignment errors are difficult and expensive to correct once the assembly is bonded. Each bolt is torqued at 850 kilonewton using a special tool at 1250 bar pressure. Together with the hydraulic motors, the main drive is the heart of every tunnel boring machine. It is fitted directly behind the cutting wheel, which, like the machine for the new metro tunnel in Paris, is powered by up to 4,800 kilowatts. Around the globe, Herrenknecht machines supported by LOCTITE prove their reliability every day.